my people, finally we are here in the place. As I told you, you know, guys, in Olambra. This is quite far. I don't know how many kilometers, guys, like 50 something kilometers. So you will see it right there in the map. I always post that. We are in this beautiful small city, but so gorgeous, so much detail and things to see, you know. And right down in front of me, we got the Molino, you know, one of the many attractions. You can come here in this city and see. Yo, what's up, galera? Como está, gente? Andrés, loja, como está, Sim, beleza. Dia muito bonito. Muitos ciclistas pedaleando na rua. Eu encontrei muitos, um deles aqui. Galera, bom dia. Qual é o seu nome?
Bom dia. Álvaro. Rubinho pra galera.
Isso. Onde é você?
Norte de Guariúna.
Isso. Falou, gente. Galera, não esqueça de se inscrever no meu canal do YouTube, Enrique Morris, for more videos, more adventure, guys. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the whole video. You know, big hug, love, a lot of energy for all you guys, right? Until the next time, see you. Ciao, ciao.